In today's video, I'm going to guide you how to set up Gmail IMAP settings in Outlook. The process is quick and simple, just follow the steps till the end and don't miss any important point. First, open your Gmail account in a web browser. Then click the gear icon and here choose the See All Settings option. Then go to the Forwarding and Pop IMAP tab. Here make sure IMAP is enabled and save changes. Open Microsoft Outlook on your computer and go to File. To add your account, enter your Gmail address and click Connect. If Outlook does not auto-detect settings, you can select IMAP manually by adding these programs. Enter your Gmail password or an application password and click Next. Wait for setup to complete, then select Done. Now your Gmail is synced with Outlook using IMAP, and that's all. That's how you will be able to complete your setup. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.